Good evening. Here's Doc Severson for the ReadySetCrypto OMNIA trade of the day for Thursday, the 19th of August. Yesterday's fears about maybe the equity market bleed over into the crypto market so far has been non-existent. So we have a relatively strong crypto market today. Again, the top 20 is almost universally green here, with the exception of some ones that were super strong just days ago. So Bitcoin right now is up 4%. Look at the energy on the daily chart. It is super huge. So watch what happens here in the near term to Bitcoin. We can break this down into kind of a box, and that's going to be bounded on the top side by about 48 and on the bottom side by 44. So it's within a high and tight, and that's important. That's a $4,000 box that's inside of here, and that's building up a tremendous amount of energy. Now, as we go out to the weekly chart, we can see that this has also got a lot of energy. So we have this two smallest time frames that we watch all the time, a lot of energy, and even the monthly chart is looking good now. So if there is a time when this thing is going to break, it should be relatively soon, based on the amount of energy, the amount of potential energy that this has worked out over the past 2 weeks at this level, centered around 46,000. And we're looking at Ethereum here, and we've had some strong Fridays lately. It seems like every Friday, market comes along and starts to move, unencumbered by maybe the futures within the larger markets. Here's Ethereum. This has also built up a tremendous amount of energy. Looks really good. If we look out the weekly chart too, we have all kinds of potential for this to trend nicely to the upside. Looking at all the other coins here, we have lots in between 2%, 7%, 5% is very much an average. We have Polkadot, which is really strong today and still keeping that trend. Look how strong that trend has been coming off the bottom. Now, some of the ones that are real strong today are the ones that have been relatively weak over the past few days. They're catching up, playing catch up here, like XTZ. Tezos is playing catch up today. We have Zilliqa playing catch up as well too. Now, some of the coins that have been super strong lately, like Axie Infinity and Hex, are just kind of taking it easy today. Now, the big rock star lately has been Solana, and this continues to inch to the upside in exhaustion. So I wouldn't expect a lot out of Solana right now. And you may look for some kind of fib retracement from this guy in the near future. Let's see if we can identify. I'll tell you what, to me, this is the latest swing from here to here, because this came kind of from a consolidation and a resistance level. So to me, this is the latest swing. And you might look for a retracement to one of these major fibs as an entry point for this. Otherwise, you could take the whole weekly swing from here. If we remove this one and then go out to the weekly chart, you can get a weekly swing on this entire one, but unlikely to be able to get an entry unless you can get something to go down to the mid 50s or so. Another real strong one today is Algo. Algorand is really moving nicely today. And we also have FTM is also working really, really well. If we look out at some of the altcoins that we look at, like DOC is real strong today. Let's see, we've already looked at XTZ Tezos. Chainlink is kind of waking up a little bit, but a lot of these, because Bitcoin is real strong today, this is not going to be as fertile a source for moving coins as it is when Bitcoin itself moves. Then you want to be looking over at the US dollar. Guys, that's it for today's report. I mean, just about everything's green. So pick your favorite coin, look for ones that have been somewhat savaged lately for an opportunity, and don't chase the winners over the last week. And we will see you on Sunday. We'll catch up and see what happens over the next couple of days with the Sunday weekend report. We'll see you then.